Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you haven't noticed already, I did change my channel's name to King Wolf Racing since I did take a step away from drifting after selling the Z, and I've just been focusing on my Mustang more so than anything. I really just wanted a name that might better suit the channel since that's really what I'm focusing on now, and I do plan on racing the Mustang a lot more. Anyways, we got something really cool for you guys today. If you all would have saw my last video, you would have seen that my original 114,000 mile motor, which I shouldn't have been racing in the first place, it threw a rod straight to the moon. Anyways, it's taken me a little while to recoup from that, and today I have something that should speed up the build process by far. It should help me out a lot, and I honestly wasn't going to go this route just because I knew that it would take a little bit longer to get the car back running, because it would require a lot more things. But I think in the long run it's going to pay off, because I didn't plan on doing this for a while, not until at least boosting the motor. But you know, here we are. So I'm sure you guys can already tell by the title, so let's cut to the chase and go to the garage and see what we got. So here it is. On Facebook I found a really great deal on Facebook Market actually for MMR built short block, which is what this is right here. And since my heads were good on my motor, I just knew I had to jump on it. So this motor has all ARP hardware, Manley pistons, Manley H-beam rods, a Bosch 302 crankshaft, and ACL race bearings. Like I said earlier, I was planning on going with a Gen 2 long block, but I just found this deal and I just really couldn't pass it up. So the motor only has 200 miles on it after the rebuild, just to test it out, so make sure everything was running good. So I already inspected the motor, everything looks really good. So you can see these H-beam rods in here. Everything looks super clean under here. Some little red MMR goodies in there. But yeah, everything looks really good under here. So that's really nice to see. Anyways, since the motor destroyed a bunch of stuff around it, like the starter, oil pan, and on my part, I cracked the valve cover when I was pulling it off because I thought I had all the bolts off and I didn't. And because of that, I have a few more goodies that I got on the way right now, so that way I can get this motor put back together. Some of the parts that I got coming are some GT500 valve covers, the MMR gasket kit for the full motor so I can put it back together. Boundary crank sprocket, oil pump gears. I might as well, since I have the whole motor out and everything, might as well put some oil pump gears since this short block did not come with them. Right here I also got some ARP head studs for the 11 to 12 and 18 to 19 Coyote motors. Also, I have a new timing set. I got a new oil pan since mine is completely destroyed. It's dented and destroyed. I got a new pickup tube and a new starter since my starter did get cracked. It's surprising how much damage the motor blowing up actually did to everything around it. It even cracked the transmission. I'll put a picture of that right here. Anyways, I got that fixed. And here's my starter. There's supposed to be 3 bolt holes on it, but right here it just sheared off this bolt hole right here and cracked the starter. So I'll have a new one of these coming. Might look into getting like a performance starter or something. Anyways, so that's what's coming for the car very, very soon. I hope you guys are just as excited as me at getting this thing put back together, because this thing is gonna be a beast once it gets back on the road. I promise you. And also, I'm not gonna have a built motor for nothing. So I'll be looking to get some boost very, very soon. So you guys be watching out for that. I'm trying to be a heavy hitter out here in Texas, but it ain't easy. It ain't easy being greasy, baby. Just giving you guys an update on what's to come for the Mustang. Really hope you guys enjoyed it. Oh, and I almost missed out. These are the heads right here. I still got to take them to the machine shop to get the heads decked and hot bath. Get them all cleaned up and make sure there's no metal scraps or anything in them. Say bye, Max. Anyways, that was just a little update for you guys. I really hope you guys just stick with me just a little bit longer. I'm just waiting for the rest of my parts to come in, and we'll be back rolling and back in the show This thing is gonna be a beast, and we're gonna have a lot of fun with this car once we get it back together. It's just a process, as you guys know. It is a process. So, if you guys like the video, make sure you guys like and subscribe. And go check out my Instagram so you guys can get some more often updates on what's going on with the car. It is at King Wolf Racing, all one word, King Wolf Racing. Alright, you guys have a great day.